In this video, I need you to pay rapt attention. I'm going to be teaching you how you can be completely relaxed whenever a woman is with you or whenever you want to knock. You hear me? How you can relax your mind, how you can be comfortable with yourself, and how you can be confident in yourself whenever you invite a woman home that you want to knock at. It's going to be a big fuck up when you invite a woman home for you to knock and you are not relaxed. In order for you to knock her very well to the point of her getting satisfied, it's a big fuck up. Because the purpose why you invited her is because you want to knock. That is the reason why you invited her. When you are not relaxed, when your body or your mind or your brain is not settled or is not relaxed, there is no how you will be able to knock a woman very well. There is no how you will be able to perform very well. And one thing that make you people not to be relaxed whenever a woman is around you or whenever you are knocking, it is anxiety, it is tension, stress, lack of self-control, lack of confidence. When you are not comfortable in yourself or in your skin or in your body, if you practice these 5 relaxation techniques, you will see yourself doing wonders on top of because, and you will see yourself being relaxed or completely relaxed whenever a woman is around you or whenever you and a woman is knocking each other. You don't need to be shy. After watching this video, ladies and gentlemen, please do well to watch at least 2 to 3 more videos on this channel. There are a lot of amazing content, amazing videos that you're going to learn from, and it will help you when it comes to things of the other room. So quickly, 5 relaxation techniques that can help you relax yourself, that can help you to be able to knock a woman. Wow. 1, make sure you take a deep breath. Okay, make sure you take a deep breath whenever there is a woman around you or whenever you want to knock. Take a deep breath to calm your mind and your body. Knocking is a thing of mind, and if your mind is not calm or if your mind is not relaxed, you'll be having performance anxiety, and there is no how you will be able to last long. There are guys that just mainly looking at the pickles they have released, and the moment the end product comes out, they find it very difficult for that prick to rise the second time. Do you hear me? Is at the result of lack of relaxation. When you don't relax your mind and your body, there is no how you will be able to perform very well. Do you understand me? So if you're a young man out there, you discover that lately or you notice recently that when a woman is around you or when you're about to knock, you are not always relaxed, and due to that, you don't perform well like you used to be. All you have to do, the moment the woman is around and you know that this woman is someone you want to knock, all you have to do, take a deep breath. Number 2 relaxation techniques is body language. Make sure you maintain open and relaxation posture on crossing the arms and legs. Relax your body whenever you want to knock. When you want to knock, don't be stiff. Don't let your body be so stiff, or don't let your legs be so stiff or your arms be so stiff. Let there be a relaxation posture on crossing your arms and your legs, and that way you will be able to balance well in order for you to bang the pickles very well. Body language is very important. When a woman is around you, try to free yourself. Don't be stiff. Don't be too carried away. Like all those calm gesture. If she's the one that want to ride, relax your body while she ride on you. You understand me? Relax your body while she is the one riding on top of your prick. Body language relaxation techniques is very, very important. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Number 3 relaxation techniques that will help you last long is mindfulness. Be conscious. Put yourself together. Have control over yourself. Focus on what you people are about to do. Some of you will be on top of pickles. You'll be thinking of school fees. You'll be thinking of finance. You'll be thinking of different things. That way you'll be distracted and you will not perform well. Focus on the present moment of what you people are going to do, or what you people are doing, or what you people are about to do, and let go of the worries. Okay, let go of the worries. Are you sure I will be able to knock away? Are you sure I will be able to last long? Are you sure I will be able to satisfy? Are you sure I will be able to take her to cloud nine? Are you sure I will be able to wash the plates? Where are you sure I will be the best after knocking her? Let go of those things and focus on the present moment. Okay, that is why I usually say it in my teaching. Communication is very important. Whenever you are knocking a woman, communicate. That is why I usually encourage guys, for you guys to cry. Okay, for you guys to make those funny sounds, for you guys to mourn whenever you people are knocking. It helps. You are like, oh my god, all those kind of sounds. It helps to relax your nerves. It helps to relax your mind. It helps to relax your body. So if you are the type that you know that during knacking you don't produce all those funny sounds that you're supposed to produce during knacking, my darling, go and cultivate it. Go and learn it. Go and practice how to be doing. Go and practice how to do that, because it helps a lot. It helps to relax your body. It helps you to be comfortable in what you are doing. So as a young man, mindfulness is very important if at all you want to last long, or if at all you want to be able to take that woman to cloud nine, or if at all you want to satisfy yourself, or you want to be seen an odogu. Focus on the present moment and let go of the worries, because worries during knacking make you not to perform well. Okay, guys can be very funny. You are on top of quickos already and you are imagining, are you sure? You'll be thinking, are you sure I'll be able to satisfy? Are you sure I'll be able to take her to clown? Are you sure I'll be you don't need all of that. Focus on what you are doing. Communicate with her. Ask her questions. How does she want it? What and what do you want her to do? Even if you are knocking a woman that is shy, you know the right thing to do, because women that are shy, or all those pretentious women, they don't usually open up. Whenever they are knacking, they will never open their mouth to tell you this is what I want, or this is how I want it. So when you come across such women, this is where all your techniques you should put together. And trust me, when you do that and she love what you did for her, she will always come back begging for your prick. Number 4, authenticity. Authenticity is very, very important. Be yourself. Be confident in yourself. Be confident in the type of prick that you have. If your joystick is the big one, be confident with it. If it's the small one, if it is the moderate one, if it is the smallest one, be confident in whatever you have. Be confident in what you want to do. Be yourself. Just be yourself. Do what you can do and allow her to teach you. Okay, it's always very good you allow the woman to also teach you. There are things that she know that you don't know. Allow her to also teach you. So be yourself. When you are yourself, you relax it. You will see yourself doing wonders on top of quickos. But when you are not yourself, you are trying to be another person, or you are trying to be that man that you are seeing in BF, there is no how, no way that you will not end up disappointing yourself. So authenticity is very, very important. Without pretense, how you can do it, tell her. If you want her to come and ride, if you want her to teach you, if you want her to to enlighten you or put it you on how she wants it, allow her. That is why I say communication during knacking is very, very important. Don't be that person that you want to be another person, or you want to be that man that you are seeing in BF. No, you don't need to be that man, because some of those people that are always under the influence of drugs. Okay, and probably if you see something you see in BF, you want to practice it with your woman. That is where communication comes in. Babe, can we do this? In order for you to be comfortable around with your woman. The last one on my list is positive self-talk. I repeat, positive self-talk. Young man, be positive about what you are doing. That is why I said communication is important. I'll keep on saying communication. Okay, that is why I keep on encouraging guys, learn how to mourn during knacking. Learn how to produce all those funny sounds. Oh baby, you are sweet. Oh baby, you produce all those sounds. Talk, communicate, express yourself. Tell your woman exactly how you are feeling about what you are doing. If the holy city is sweeting you, if the holy city is making you amazed, let her know with what comes out of your mouth. It's always very good and always very advisable. You talk, say positive things, sweet things, good things that you want your woman to hear during knacking. All of those things help a lot, and all of those things help you to last longer as a man. But whenever you encourage yourself with kind thoughts, It helps to reduce anxiety. By practicing these techniques, you can feel more at ease and build a stronger connection. Guys, this actually brings us to the end of this video. If you love this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. If you're my returning subscriber, I love you. After watching this video, go ahead and watch others on my video. I remain your able coach, Rhoda-b. Till I come your way next time, remain blessed. Bye for now.